Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Claude AI in your Blender. If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, just googling Cloud Desktop. Then you need to download for Windows. After you download it, you need to install it first. After you finish install, click Get Started. And continue with your email and continue. Okay, now we have our cloud. After you had your Claude AI, next thing to do, you need to update your Blender. It's only work on Blender 5.1. Download it and update your Blender. Then after you update your Blender, open up your Blender. Then we can googling Blender MCP add-ons. Click over here, MCP Server. Click and drag and drop it at your Blender. Click Add Repository and just create. After you see nothing happen here, let's see at the Edit Preference. At the add-ons, when we type MCP, there's nothing installed. We need to back here. Click and drag and drop again here. Then enable the add-ons. Okay, it says install MCP. Let's see at the preference. Now we see MCP here. Okay, after that, open your cloud, click at your name profile, go to the setting and connector, browse connector here, and let's type here Blender. Click like this, and we need to install. After you had your Blender installed, go to the developer here, then edit config. As you can see, we have a Cloud Desktop config JSON. Right click, edit in Notepad, then down here, paste. Then Ctrl V, you will find this on my description below. Then Ctrl S to save, then we can close it. Now we can try to use the cloud. Let me minimize this. Let's try to add a cube. Now we have a 2 cube here. And let's try to delete cube 0.001. Okay, now it's gone. Let's try to material preview, add material for cube steel material. Let's see at the shading tab. It still didn't have the material. Let's try once again. Okay, now it's have a material here. Let's try to texture and imperfection. Now we see something. It already have a texture here. As you can see, we just can't ignore the AI. We need to work with it. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you.